Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Here are tonight's top stories. Rashmi Shukla has been reinstated as Maharashtra's Director General of Police, a move that has sparked criticism from opposition parties. This development raises concerns about governance and impartiality in politically sensitive times. The power struggle between BJP and Shiv Sena deepens as the chief ministerial post hangs in balance. Coalition politics present challenges as both parties attempt to uphold voter trust while securing their interests. A BJP MLA has accused party MLCs of sabotaging election campaigns, alleging betrayal within the party ranks. This discord has prompted calls for disciplinary action, with analysts stressing the need to resolve internal issues promptly. Eknath Shinde has urged supporters to avoid gathering at his official residence, Varsha, amid growing speculations about Maharashtra's leadership. This appeal aims to maintain stability during the ongoing discussions. Eknath Shinde has officially resigned as Maharashtra Chief Minister. The Mahayuti coalition is now working towards a unanimous decision on his successor. Justice Manmohan has highlighted the importance of the Indian Constitution as a guiding principle for the nation. His remarks came during Constitution Day celebrations, marking 75 years since its adoption. Vaibhav Suryavanshi has made history by becoming the youngest entrant in the IPL 2025 auction, creating excitement ahead of the league's next season. A tragic plane crash has claimed the life of a pilot transporting rescue dogs. Authorities are investigating the incident, which occurred under challenging weather conditions and left two dogs as survivors. Mohini De has dismissed rumors linking her with A.R. Rahman, calling the speculations criminal. The bassist urged the public to respect personal boundaries. Silver futures saw a rise on the MCX today, driven by robust global demand and increased investor activity. Odisha FC delivered a commanding 6-0 victory against Hyderabad FC in the ISL 2024, with key players showcasing exceptional performances. Copper futures declined today amid mixed global signals and weak domestic demand, as markets brace for potential supply shifts. The deadline for free Aadhaar updates is approaching on 14th December. Residents who received their Aadhaar cards over 10 years ago are urged to update their details promptly. Andhra Pradesh is considering scrapping a power deal with the Adani Group following allegations of bribery in the US. This development has raised questions about the group's legal and financial future. President Draupadi Murmu led a ceremony commemorating 75 years of India's constitution. The event reflected on its legacy and its role in shaping modern India. Sadhguru has raised concerns over the arrest of Hindu leader Chinmoy Krishna Das in Bangladesh. The incident highlights challenges faced by minorities in the region. Delhi Capitals have outlined a strategic approach for the IPL 2025 mega auction, focusing on balancing experience with youth and retaining key players. Legal experts suggest that bribery charges against Adani may be reconsidered under a Trump presidency. This has sparked debates over the influence of political leadership on judicial matters. The Mahakumbh 2025 will deploy robots for fire safety, blending advanced technology with traditional spirituality at this large-scale event. Hyundai India faces tax scrutiny over discrepancies in input tax credit claims. Authorities have issued a show-cause notice, alleging excess claims in the company's returns. Apple's AirPods 4 are set to redefine comfort and sound quality, offering ANC technology in an open-ear design that bridges affordability and premium features. Mohammad Amir is gearing up to lead the New York Strikers in the Abu Dhabi T10 2024, aiming for a second consecutive title with his team. India's new PAN 2.0 initiative, featuring a QR code update, is expected to improve security and streamline tax processes for citizens. The arrest of a Hindu leader in Bangladesh has led to widespread protests, highlighting ongoing concerns about minority rights and religious tensions in the region. An explosion at an illegal firecracker factory in Morena has claimed 4 lives and injured 7 others. The incident underscores the risks of unregulated production during festive seasons. RBI Deputy Governor Swaminathan J has urged MSMEs to adopt digital payments and formal registration to strengthen their financial health and achieve sustainable growth. That's all for tonight's bulletin. Stay tuned to Channel 6 Network for more updates. Thank you for watching and have a great night.